A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Let me see if me can remember the name of the 12 apostles them where Jesus did call for follow him. He did have Peter and James and John and Andrew and Philip. You remember the rest of them? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And if you're not subscribed yet, of course, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, me go read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 3 from verse 13 to verse 19. Now, Jesus go up on one hill and call all who him did want and then come to him. Him pick out 12 men who him call him apostle so that they could attend with him and that him could send them to go preach. And that him could have give them the right and the power for run out demon out of people. The 12 who him pick, I did Simon, when called Peter, James and him brother John, Zebedee 2 boy them, when called Boanerges, that mean man we come in like thunder, Andrew, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James, Alphaeus boy, Thaddeus, Simon the Zealot, and Judas Iscariot, the one we sell out Jesus. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.